Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to tighten your Mk6 Golf handbrake using an easy method. First, park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake. You'll need a few simple tools, like a wrench and a flathead screwdriver. This adjustment is crucial for safety, ensuring your handbrake holds firmly. Let's get started by preparing the vehicle for the procedure. Now, let's access the adjustment mechanism. Gently pry up the rear section of your center console trim. It usually just clips into place, so be careful not to break any tabs. Once the trim is removed, you'll clearly see the handbrake lever base. There, you'll find the threaded rod and two nuts that control the cable tension. This is where we'll make our adjustments. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy car maintenance tips. On another note, just like a well-maintained car, a well-organized kitchen makes life easier. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the adjustment point exposed, we can now tighten the handbrake. Use your wrench to loosen the lock nut, which prevents the adjustment nut from moving. Then, turn the adjustment nut clockwise to increase tension on the handbrake cables. Test the handbrake lever. You want it to engage fully within 3 to 5 clicks. This ensures proper function without over-tightening. After adjusting, it's vital to test the handbrake's effectiveness. With the car safely on a level surface, engage the handbrake and try to gently move the car. Ideally, both rear wheels should be firmly locked. Once satisfied, carefully reassemble the center console trim, ensuring all clips are secure. This completes the mechanical part of the adjustment, making your handbrake safer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.